Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Capital One Spark Business Credit Card on mobile app. So step number one is to download the Capital One mobile app. Search for Capital One in the App Store or Google Play Store and install the app. If you already have a Capital One online account, log in using your credentials. If not, tap on sign up and follow the instructions to create an account. You'll need your Spark Business Credit Card details to link your account. Once logged in, if the app does not automatically show your Spark Business Credit Card, tap the Accounts tab, select the Link Account or Add Account, and enter your card information. And now that your card is linked, you can view transactions and track spending in real time. Pay your bills directly to the app by selecting the card and tapping on the payment options. You can also set up alerts, download statements, and freeze or lock your card if necessary. And there's a lot more to learn. You just have to explore the application and see it for yourself. This way, you can easily manage your Capital One Spark Business Credit Card through the mobile app, track expenses, and even make contactless payments if needed. And there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!